we present a user study in which real and virtual assemblies with haptic feedback are compared. 24 participants carried out exercises consisting of 3 variations of pigeonhole tasks. Real interactions were altered by adding 3 synthetic factors. First, visual feedback, rendered images visualized through a head-mounted display. Second, haptic device, our hug force reflecting interface. And third, haptic rendering, our own hybrid God-object method. Altogether, more than 10 objective and subjective variables were recorded using force sensors, optical tracking, EMG bracelets, and questionnaires. The combination of the 3 synthetic factors led to 5 virtualization degrees, ranging from purely real to purely virtual. The effects of each device or rendering method were analyzed with pairwise comparisons of the degrees. Exercises had to be started by hitting a gray middle box, and consisted of 3 tasks repeated in 2 series. Frontal insertion. Side insertion. And railing. Participants had to hit a corner box between the tasks. The exercise was finished by hitting the middle box again, after completing 2 series of the 3 tasks. In the following, we show the interaction in all 5 degrees. Degree 1, purely real assemblies. Degree 2, real assemblies using a calibrated head-mounted display. Degree 3, real assemblies with coupled haptic interface, gravity compensated. Degree 4, users saw virtual images and had to carry the free-floating haptic device, but felt real collision forces. Degree 5, purely virtual assemblies in which users felt rendered collision forces. In addition to the regular exercises, the participants performed one set of exercises with a secondary audio task, and another set of exercises with auditory privation. In the first, users had to press a foot pedal as soon as they heard a horn while performing the assembly exercise. Reaction times were measured for each degree or condition. In the second, subjects had active sound-canceling headphones with white noise on. This last set of exercises was performed with the 2 degrees in which no head-mounted display was used, degrees 1 and 3.